This holiday season, broaden your child's horizons by developing skills and awareness that will enhance their potential and push their boundaries. New Zealand high schools, in partnership with NZEA, have launched a short-stay high school experience program to give students an opportunity to study in New Zealand with the support of a buddy. Students will be placed with a host family and attend a local school. During our program, students gain intercultural competencies that are crucial for them to become global citizens. In a very competitive world, these are highly sought-after qualities. Long after the students return home, this experience will provide them with a substantial backdrop to make future study and career choices. For example, one of the schools, Timaru High School program, offers lessons on flying. This opens a wonderful pathway for a career in aviation. Studying in New Zealand is an educational experience of a lifetime. Come, discover the world beyond the classroom. Come, open career doors you didn't know existed. Come to New Zealand this holiday. Find out more at www.nzea.in or contact NZEA today. info@nzea.in